In this video, you will learn how to check your reward points on TikTok. Knowing how to find these points is a key step for anyone who wants to make the most out of their TikTok experience. I will guide you through the process step by step, so it's easy to follow along. To get started, open up the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features. Head over to your profile. Next, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. In this menu, select Balance. This section will display how many coins you currently have accumulated through various activities on TikTok. Next up, let's check out those live rewards. You'll see an option labeled Live Rewards. Tap on it to delve deeper into detailed information about all available rewards. If you've earned some rewards and want to withdraw them, simply tap on the Withdraw button. Lastly, you will find a section dedicated to transaction history. Here, users can review all past transactions related to their reward points. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.